Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, monthly, I'm definitely still very bullish overall. I mean, it's very, very clear to me that this is a 1, 2, 3. We are at that 161.8 just about, and that is actually only the minimum target for wave 3. Wave 3s can go way, way, way beyond the 161.8 sometimes, but we'll have to just watch and see because normally that is a pretty likely area for a wave 4 pullback and then eventually another push up for the wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, very, very clear on these higher time frames in my opinion that this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. So like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and likely now a 5 of wave 3. The 61.8 fib level is actually my target for a wave 5 using the Fibonacci extension of wave 3 projected out the bottom of wave 4, which is normally how you come up with a target for a wave 5. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So now we're looking at the wave 5 trend. Most likely the wave 4 ends back here. This is likely a 1, a 2, a 3. I was thinking that the wave 4 was not over originally, but it kind of seems like it is. 1, 2, 3 waves down, and now we're probably in that wave 5 of wave 5 trend, which I still think needs to go up to at least the 2550, 2560 area to complete. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now we have CPI inflation data coming out today. I was definitely originally thinking that this wave 4 is going to be much, much bigger. So we'll have to see. I mean, most of the dollar pairs to me do kind of look like they need to go down a little bit more. Gold to me kind of looks like it needs to keep on going up based on all the higher time frames. So we got a little bit of a, lack of correlation going on between these dollar pairs. To me, the trend is up on every single higher time frame, and whenever the trend is up like that, I always lean towards longs. So I'm definitely primarily looking for longs on gold. I'm targeting that 2550, 2560 area that I was showing you on the higher time frames for a potential turn. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we are getting a little bit closer to those highs that I'm looking at. I personally am definitely looking for longs right now, but if today's news comes out and it goes down and it breaks structure, then it probably would make for a pretty good sorting opportunity. Like I was saying, most of the US dollar pairs do look like they possibly could go down more, and if they go down at the news, then you would definitely think that gold would go down at the news also. I just think it's a little bit dangerous just because the trend is up on literally every single higher time frame. The trend is up. So when the trend is up on every single higher time frame, I normally do not go down to the 1 hour time frame range and try to go short because the trend is your friend. So if today's news does cause it to go down, I'll probably just ignore that entry and I'll wait for a pullback entry and then I'll just try to go short on the pullbacks from that point on. If the trend just keeps on going up, then you should be trading with the trend anyways, and you should be long anyways. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.